The ward washer Deko 190 is designed for emptying, flushing and disinfecting bedpans and lids, urine bottles, hand wash basins and measuring containers, as well as suction bottles, theatre overshoes, vases and other reusable products used for similar purposes within patient care. Cleaning and disinfecting is an important part of any hospital or healthcare facility's infection control policy. This video will help you understand the correct operation of the Deko 190. Operation is simple and easy. The controls consist of a main switch, temperature display, and selection buttons numbered 1 to 5 for program choice, a program cancel button, a series of LED displays, and a detergent level indicator. This quick scan cluster of indicators give you all the information you need on the state of the machine, as well as the status of the items in the wash chamber. For safe and efficient use of the machine, it is important to check the status of the display before loading or unloading the machine. If none of the indicators are illuminated or flashing, the machine can be loaded or unloaded. The top yellow symbol indicates the machine is in operation and a program is running. The second symbol is red and indicates a quick flush cycle without disinfection. If the third symbol flashes red, this indicates the machine is in fault and cannot reach the correct level of disinfection. The fourth and last symbol is green and indicates the machine has finished its cycle and the door can be opened. Always check the status of the machine before or after using it. Open the door by lifting the centre self-locking handle. The door cannot be opened when the machine is in its cycle. The Deko 190 can easily be set up to clean and disinfect a variety of items. To wash and disinfect bedpans, prepare the Deko 190 by lifting the bedpan bracket to the vertical position. Remove the paper cover and place the bedpan securely in the rack. There is no need to pre-empty the bedpan. Lids are placed securely in the rear bracket and urine bottles are pushed onto the upright nozzles on the door. The Deko 190 can wash and disinfect 2 bedpans and 4 urine bottles at the same time. The program choices depend on local circumstances. Refer to the program chart on the machine. The Deko 190 has unique washing and disinfecting cycles. The cycles consist of a variety of washing stages. To start with, a cold water rinse, followed by a warm water rinse. Next, a hot water and detergent stage, performing mechanical action to thoroughly clean and wash the contents. The contents are finally rinsed and disinfected thermally using steam at 90 degrees Celsius or more for 1 minute. At the end of the disinfection cycle, only the lower green LED will glow, indicating the machine has completed its disinfection cycle. Once the door has been opened after a disinfection cycle, please make sure to remove all items because all indicators revert back to neutral and the next person will not know whether the item has been washed and disinfected. If you find any items in the machine without any indication on the display of the Deko 190, it must be assumed that they are not clean. The Deko 190 can also be used for a variety of other items: wash bowls, kidney dishes, boots, suction bowls, and any similar items can be washed and disinfected by the Deko 190. When lowering the rear shelf, if the bedpan bracket is still in position, store it by pushing it slightly to the right and down. You cannot wash bowls and bedpans at the same time. However, bowls and urine bottles can be washed at the same time. If it is not allowed in the sewer, it is not allowed in the machine. If in doubt, ask. Bowls, measuring jars, vases, kidney bowls, suction bottles, mop heads and buckets can all be placed inverted on the shelf or in a special rack. The Deko 190 can also wash instruments before CSSD, TSSU or similar processing departments. The basket lid must be secured with the spring self-lock. The instrument basket is placed on the rear shelf. The Deko 190 is suitable for cleaning any item that can be submersed in hot water. Using the Deko 190 machine is easy. At the start of every shift and at least once a day, check that there is sufficient detergent in the container. An LED indicator will light up if the detergent levels are low. After loading the machine, choose the program. A list of programs corresponding to various items is attached to the machine. Once you press a particular program cycle, the door will be locked. Once the cycle is completed, the green symbol will light up and the door can be opened. If you press 0 within seconds of starting the program, the machine will stop. As explained earlier, it is important to visually check the status panel before and after each use. Should a cycle fail to finish, a red fault light will flash. Reset the machine by turning it off and on at the main switch. If it fails to start or faults again, report it to your maintenance department. Maintenance staff carry out routine maintenance. However, there are a few daily checks that you, the operator, can carry out. These are to check that the spray nozzles rotate freely and to check the detergent level. As you can see, the operation of the Deko 190 is simple. For further details, please refer to the instruction manuals or call REMA.